So guys, today we're going to have a quick look at the Slim Piece. We'll do the down low now and then we'll get back to it. So we've just had these in. This is the Purge Mods Slim Piece. Let's have a little look at what you get inside the box. So it comes as a kit. You get your new Carnage 1.5 and you get the new Slim Piece. So let's have a little look at the features and have a little chat about that. A little close up there. It's a nice, decent size. Nice fits in the hand well. So it's 26mm diameter and it is 65mm in height. It's got a unique side fire button, like the original Slam, but I've never seen it on any other mechanical mods. So it's a nice touch there by Purge. It's got the constant contact button, so a little look at that. Unscrew the thread. So it's an Ultim battery housing button thing, and the side fire bar is Ultim, and so is the cap. So inside the mod, when you first get it, you're going to get some screws, and you're going to get a spare Allen key for the side fire button. So this is the constant contact cup, and this is copper. So when that's in there and you have your battery there, you've got a constant contact with the fire bar. I'll try and get that in shot. So it's got constant contact with that, so when you're touching it, it's responsive. It's straight away all there. So it's got ventals, hybrid design. So a little look at the cap. Stick this back in there. Bit tight because I haven't used this one, but it's got a nice stainless steel deck. The only thing different to the normal Carnage that I can see is they've sort of shaved the bottom lip off, so when you put your cap on, it sits flush. Push that on there. But yeah, overall this mod looked great. I have actually got my own, and I'll have a little shot of vaping that in a minute for you. No lock-in on the button like the other one, so just use this one for size comparison. So this is the original Slam, and there's the size comparison. And the button, so with the button as well, the bottom of it, you've got the nice logo imprinted on there. But this is looking really sexy. So this is all locally made in Orlando in the USA, so it's a true American made mod. Let's have a little blast on it and see how it goes. So guys, we've just done the down low, now let's vape it. I'm using some Cloud Sauce Trifle. It's a succulent strawberry and raspberry trifle. Let's juice this up. See how she hits. That thing hits good, fucking brilliant. It hits really hard for a 18650 mod. I've been using the original Slam with Samsung 30T, and that hits, and this isn't much difference at all. Airflow is great on it, not too much, not too little. They've hit that right in the right spot. So I can't get enough of this. Let's put some more on. Feels really good in the hand, fires anywhere you want it to. So I'll take the cap off so you can see. Just squeeze your hand, fires. In your other hand, just using your thumb, fires nice. You can just hold it however you want, and it's constantly hitting. Nice weight to it. It's got a nice heavy weight feel, like a good quality weight feel. Not too heavy, it's not going to bring your pants down if you put it in your pocket. Overall, I'm really impressed with this. I've been using my one for about 4 days now, since we first had them in, and it is great. You can get these at deluxevapeco.co.uk, and This is a really good mod. Just can't get enough of it. Flying through batteries every day, I'm constantly on it. One of the best buys I've bought by far in a while. If you like this video guys, hit the subscribe and like and share it with your friends.